In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the Human Body Systems 2 quest line. The goal of the quest line is to diagnose and treat 3 patients. To get started, you need to talk to Dr. Joe Panda at the Caterwall Clinic in Murky Moss. Everything you need to diagnose and treat patients is in Doctor's Bag, which you can access when you talk to the patients. First, you want to run tests to find out what your patient's symptoms are. For that, you choose in the Doctor's Bag one of the body systems and click on different tools to run tests. Based on the results, you can determine whether the body part is healthy or not. After you understand the symptoms, you want to use the Big Book of Diseases to find out which set of symptoms matches your patient's symptoms. Then you want to click on the Diagnose button to communicate the treatment to the patient. After completing the treatment, the patient tells you whether they feel better or not. If they feel better, you've successfully cured the patient. If they don't feel better, you need to explore other treatment options. To complete the quest, you need to talk to Dr. Joe Panda.